So I understand there's a lot of options out there and there's a lot of providers. What are the main differences between them?
The main difference between the providers is the limits and the wordings. In some cases, the cover has guaranteed wordings, and this means that the cover will never change throughout the life of the policy, thus giving you certainty when it comes to your health going forward.
So you work with all of these different
do.
insurers?
Yep.
Okay, and you find the best cover for me going through the wording, and you explain that in details, and that's no doubt the reason why Ease exists. So tell me, well, I want to talk about the full medical. Do I need to have a full medical?
No, in most cases, no. The insurance company may ask you to do some simple blood tests, and if they've got further questions about your health, they can call up the doctor's notes.
Okay. So what does health insurance do, and what do you mean by 100% cover?
Well, what it will do is it will get you your treatment quickly, it'll be paid for by the insurance, and 100% cover means that the treatment will be covered 100%. You won't have to pay a thing.
Okay, well that does sound good. What about the premiums? How does that work? How do I keep that down, should we say?
Well, the way you can keep your premiums down is you can elect to eliminate specialists from your cover. That can actually drive up the premiums, and you can also elect to have an excess, and these range from $0 to $5,000.
So when I say take out the specialist, what specifically do you mean by that?
Well, that means that you'd pay for the specialist yourself, and then if the specialist elects to send you on to get a diagnostic test, such as a CT scan or an MRI, then the cover will kick in. And should you go to surgery, then you'd also have cover.
So the cover would pay for the main operations?
The main expensive things.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, does the excess work like a car excess where I have to make a payment every time?
Not at all. It is payable once per event. So if you're going to have knee surgery, for instance, you pay the first $250 or $1,000 or $2,000, whatever your excess is, and then everything else will be covered 100% from then on.
Well, that does sound interesting. Look, I would like some more information. How do I go about sending you my details?
Well, you can fill in the form below. That will come over to our office, and someone from our office will give you a call and take you through the different providers and the different quote ranges.
Okay, so I just fill out the details below,
Yep.
and it will go to a person like yourself.
Yes, indeed.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.